Shenzhen Orient Longke Industry Company Limited, established in 2004 and located in Shenzhen City. Orient Longke is a professional manufacturer of multifunctional UV printer in China. Over 21 years development, it has become one of the leading and authoritative company in this industry. We have successfully developed over 30 types of UV printers covering, such as UV flatbed printer, roll and flatbed printer, roll-to-roll UV printer, single-pass printer. And with print materials available for any plant materials, such as glass, metal, ceramic, alloy, plastic, phone case, wood, leather, PVC, PC, ABS, and so on. Longke UV printers are widely used for DIY phone case, home decoration, art glass, advertising and sign, toy, furniture, home appliance color foam, candles, LCD screen display, sheet metal, carpet, shoes, fitness equipment, handicrafts, and so on. Orient Longke is the national high-tech enterprise and obtained numbers of other national certification of intellectual property right and can comply with CE standard. Relying on advanced design concept and technical support of international well-known expert team and rich professional manufacturing experience, it integrates research, development, design, assembly, sales, and reaches international production level of safety, profession, accuracy, and high efficiency. Orient Longke UV printers have been sold nationwide and exported to global, with high praise from customers for its excellent performance and after-sales service. Welcome to Orient Longke.